Hey guys, how you doing? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. This is your host, Oscar Ramos, and in this video, I want to explain, if not the most popular tool in the cryptocurrency space, and that I'm talking about CoinMarketCap. Yes, you probably heard this before, even though if you've never invested in cryptocurrency. This is the place where a lot of us, I will be sure that 90% of people, investors, traders, researchers, developers, and many more check this page. Why? Well, you have a reliable place for you to see the prices, the market cap, the circulating supply, trends, news, what's pumping, what's dumping in one single page. So I'm going to go ahead and train you to check the top 5, top 3 tools that you want to use right here and how to benefit from that. And also I'm going to show you the competitor, which is called CoinGeek or CoinGecko, which I also use when CoinMarketCap is not functioning well. You have to know that CoinMarketCap is owned by Binance. So usually sometimes when CoinMarketCap is down, because it has gone down before, well, everybody's asking Binance what's happening. So go ahead and smash the like button, guys. Consider subscribing to ClearCryptos, and we're happy that you're back. Now, the first thing that you gotta know, just come here, coinmarketcap.com. Very easy to come. You have a bunch of different things. You can create an account. You don't have to create an account if you want, but you can do many different things. Let's go ahead and start from the top. Right here, you can take a look at the cryptos that are available. More than 20,000 registered here on CoinMarketCap. Doesn't mean that it's only 20,000 available worldwide. There's much more than that are not here on CoinMarketCap yet. Exchanges, it tells you exactly how many exchanges are registered here on CoinMarketCap. Here we have 500 and more added every single day. Market cap, which is we are, according to CoinMarketCap, under 1 trillion, and the volume and the thing go on and on. Typically when your ETH gas is less than this value, then it's gonna be costing you less money to do transactions on Ethereum. Once this is 180, then it's of course gonna be much more costly. That is a beautiful thing why we are having many proof of stake platforms and blockchains, because we want to kind of like get out of Ethereum because the fees are kind of crazy. Now, when we take a look at this, we're going to see some videos and more articles. You can go ahead and take a look at those. Right here in the today's cryptocurrency price market cap, this is, I believe, one of the easiest insights, information that a lot of people get very quickly. The global market cap, which is under 1 trillion. Now, usually I have this hidden and I don't see it. And the reason why, it's because what's trending and the recently added, usually they're like meme coins and rug pulls, and you don't want to be extremely distracted by especially this and oftentimes this, because this name, I'm never gonna get into this one. PancakeSwap is a reliable one, and some with 1,000% growth. You know that these are cryptos that you don't want to mess around because you don't want to lose money. That is why usually these are full and jam-packed with meme coins. Now, so just be aware of that. When it comes to the actual, good cryptocurrency, usually you're gonna be looking at the top 10 as the most reliable cryptocurrency and projects. So that's what we call the top 10 by market cap. Then you can go ahead and continue reading and looking at the different cryptocurrencies. I think one of the things that you want to do is, for example, you want to see what's actually doing very well at this time. The only thing that you have to do is go to the 1 hour, click once, and it's going to tell you who is pumping much higher. And AMP token has the lead at 2% with Quant. If you click once again, it's going to show you what is dumping in the 1 hour. And right now, everything seems to be just sideways trading. If we do that for the 7 days, we're gonna go ahead and see that in the last 7 days, Solana, Terra Classic, Gala, Hardware, and many more are dropping nicely with 20% retracements. How about in the 24 hours? We have Lido, Convex, ApeCoin dropping in the last 24 hours with some 10%. So you can have and utilize these tools at your convenience for more good stuff. Obviously, we click the market cap, we're gonna have Bitcoin. As soon as you click this once, you're gonna look at this the way we starting with Bitcoin. Of course, if you click it once again, well, you're gonna start seeing the top 100. It tells you who is in 100, 99, 98, and so on. And you can take a look at what are the prices at the bottom of the scale, which is pretty cool, right? Now, another tool that I like is the filters, because it allows you to categorize and find whichever cryptocurrency you're looking for by category. So if you want to get into DeFi, go ahead and filter by DeFi, and you're going to see who are the leaders in that specific category. It's really cool if you're starting to get more into crypto. Now, this is basically like the top things that you do on CoinMarketCap, see how things are trending. CoinGecko, it's the same thing as CoinMarketCap, but they do differ in the global market cap count. This one says 1 trillion and this one says less than 1 trillion. But the two of them are really reliable, and you're not gonna be missing anything if you take a look at this. So make sure you bookmark them on your web browser. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.